Yeah. So it might need a bit of persuasion to get in board. So let me just line it up and get in place. Okay. So now I have it in place. It's connected. It's not actually screwed down, and this board actually doesn't have any washers in place either. Oh, sorry, I mean nuts. Washers, nuts. And so you just want to slide the board into place. A lot of people ask about whether or not it matters what kickstart ROMs you have or what you have plugged in. This should just take over everything, all things being good. And so yeah, once you've lined it up in your expansion port bay, just snaps into place. You got your SD card here, and then grab the old keyboard gently, because this one here has got a little flat ribbon cable, which is obviously, it looks like it's been replaced here at some point. And then this no Amiga 1200 expert, but that looks a bit whatever. Anyway, we're going to plug a few things in and switch it on. Okay, we'll continue the journey here with the Amiga back together, and we'll open it back up to see where we were. So we found an appropriate SD card, we've put it in there. I've actually disconnected the hard drive just to avoid any complications, but it should be fine nonetheless. Now, continuing play a random demo. I may have actually crashed the computer. Okay, so we've put the card in, rebooted, we're ready to go. Now running through the RGB port into one of these things. These work quite well, as you can see, once we get some focus. So let's play a random demo, and this is actually okay, this is running with the wrapper, the Whdload wrapper. Load random demo didn't work there. Some of them do, some of them don't. It seems like none of these are working now. I wonder why. Random game. Random game seems to work. Maybe something to do with the wrapper. That works well. Try another one. Yeah, it's pretty consistent. You can see that the info comes out the bottom there. Press the left button, press enter, press space. Very, very enthralling. F10 to quit. Back to the game selector. Let's just try Odd Games AGA, of course. This one always looks pretty good. Yeah. If Aladdin works, then everyone will be happy. Oh, Aladdin works. So that's Aladdin for you. Delete to, what is it, F10? Asterisk to get back out of it. And so this is your Amiga game selector. Press escape, you get into a lovely AGA based workbench where you will have Hippo player and other stuff here, and whatever this is. What's this thing do? Oh, it takes you back to here. There you go. Anyway, enjoy.